Righty boys, welcome bloody back to another vlog. Hopefully you've just watched the one from last week where we obviously attacked roll racing bloody hard and bloody fast, and holy heck, just massive. We're going to wait another month for another roll racing, but should be bloody good. But we're at our second home, as you can probably tell from the background. We are back out at bloody QR. Twilight laps with talk time. Hopefully we can get some 360 action today, and we'll obviously get some decent viewing angles for the vlog. But without further ado, let's bloody get on track. Let's go. Holy heck, look at the subwoofers, boys. Sheesh. The old 323 out. Holy heck. 4 subbies. Jesus. Holy heck. Carbon fibre as well. Holy heck. So we've got the old CRV. Double subwoofer. TVs. Boys, we're back at Auto Salon 2000. And I think we had this on the channel not too long ago, the old Evo 10 No Talk. Stancy boy as on the Workmeisters. Holy, and he has some technology in there for the old sound system too. Got our first I-30 boys, and no, the old Cupra. Holy heck. S15. Oh. Got our first Golf there, boys. Holy heck. Let's go. Oh. One of the old customers, boys. Holy heck. T-Rock. Got our second Golf, boys. Holy heck. With the GR Corolla. Holy. Woo. Second I-30, boys. Another one. Fastback. Another I-30 in. Holy heck. Another Golf, boys. Woo. Betty. Holy heck. Head over. There's that Evo Ute that we've seen out of Rolls. That's sick. GR Corolla here, boys. Holy heck. All stocky boy though. He reckons it won't beat the Yaris though. But he's got the old Gaffelby camera on. Holy heck. Here we go, boys. Look out, the old chop cam, he reckons. Holy. That's sick. GDR, boys. Nice little Subi here, boys. Looks like he's got an aftermarket fuel rig possibly, so looks like it might be pushing a little bit of power, but who knows with these things. They're very scary. Very grumpy Commodore. That sounds bloody dope, boys. Holy heck. What the hell? The old ghost can. That's sick. That old Zeki boy Sirocco. I'm assuming it's that. Not a number plate. So we got the old IE intake. Not bad, eh? Not bad. And a grumpy Falcon. Oh, smokes. Little show and shine, boys. Falcon G6 maybe. Mark IV Supra. Holy heck. Look at the size of that bloody baby eater. Holy heck. An MPS. nice. Another MPS. Holy heck. This one's undercover. Crispy little S3 from Galliano, it looks like. And the old Toyas. And the Rocco face-off model.
Broke niggas really make me uncomfortable. Going ham, crack a nigga for that cheese like a Lunchable, not street. Grew up in a good home like a Huxtable. I seek and destroy if he beat that I breathe on. I'm meek, but it still get boisterous if he make me sick. Not a drummer, but I got some bands and I got my stick. I'm from PA, not Philly. I'm from PA, not Philly. Can't dance, but I got
the next day.
Well, boys. Welcome back to the bloody vlog. Saturday bookings for the first and only customer of the bloody day. And we've got nickname old Grimace, because it's purple everywhere, boys. Holy hecker. Unknown tuner. She's got the intake. Doesn't have the downpipe though. Aftermarket coil packs from APR. Holy hecker. TMG Performance PCV Delete plate and catch cam. And boys, let's check. Aftermarket battery! Oh no, it's not. Never mind. Oh yeah, it is. Hey, Ripco. Woohoo! Aftermarket battery. Bloody good, boys. I found these.
Oh my god, I still haven't found my berries, but I found these.
We are doing coilovers today, so both sides, stocky struts, bloody out. We're just going to ram these ones back in. We got the rears all set up. We haven't dropped the rears just yet, but we've got the jack ready, as you can see. And we're just going to drop that rear strut and rear bucket, and we should be good to go. Holy hecker. Not bad for timing either. And we got cold monies on the way. Boys, well, we are bloody done with this Mark 6 GTI Golf R tail lights. Holy hecker. First try out of the box. Didn't even touch the adjustments. Made sure they were all correct. But boys, that looks bloody hectic. What do you reckon? Not bad, eh? Not bad for first attempt out of the box with no adjustment. That looks dope if you ask me. But let's cut to that bloody test drive footage now.
I will only stay, cause where the bluebirds fly, where the bluebirds fly, if it only rains. Where are they? I have dealt enough. Are my tears not enough? Should I bleed enough to fill a cup for you to notice what you sure you gave me? My tears ain't enough to soak in it. My best day.
Hey boys, welcome back to Sunday bookings with our customer OG Puddle Light Boy. Holy hecker, you would have just seen some ASMR there, so shout out to our ASMR watchers / listeners, I guess. But zero design side skirts, bloody on. Shout out to Zero Offset, always looking after the boys. We are greasing the strut towers, so we're about 70% done. Drop the hub now, and then we'll drop the strut out, nice and easy. We're also doing a minor service, so as you can see, dripping under said car, but full stage 2 stocky boy on this one. Oh, I shouldn't say stocky boy, sorry. Full stage 2 power boy from Shout out to old Galliano. Not too shabby in the grand scheme of things. No flex fuel though. So maybe one day he might grow some balls and go E85. We'll never know. Whoosh, boys. Well, Puddle Light Boy is bloody done with his Grid Edition 7.5. Holy hecker, boys. Holy hecker. Nice and clean. Struts out. Side skirt's bloody done, which shout out to the ASMR team that watch the vlogs. And yeah, so struts out, side skirt's done, minor service done, and he's got a leaky boy water pump and leaky boy sump. So we've cleaned the sump down. Just going to make sure, but it is leaking. But let's cut to the test drive footage now.
Slide on me on a late night. Slide on me on a late night. Slide on me on a late night. Yeah, yeah. Slide on me on a late night. Yeah, that's right. Slide on me, you can get right. Yeah, that's right. Baby don't have no stage right. That's right. Baby don't have no stage right.
Boys, well, bit of a side mission. We finished that 7.5, as you can see from the test drive footage. But old Mitchie came with us for a drive. Bloody good. But yeah, new tub for the AMAROK. So this one has white flares, and it also doesn't have a dint in the corner piece. So yeah, essentially that's why we've got this one. Cheap as well. So yeah, fixes that dint that we have in that one, and the tailgate's pretty near on straight as well. So very, very happy. Good deal. And we've got a hard shell cover as well. So not too bad, boys. Not too bad. Well, hopefully this will be the last time you get to see this bloody dint, and all of these bloody dints in there too. Fix all up all that, and she should be bloody good. But this is the main thing. So black guards, they're becoming white. All of this is obviously all black, I think he's got one. And we've also got a cover for the back as well, so nice and good. Get rid of that dint too. But yeah, so we'll keep the black tail lights. But yeah, that rear tub should be on tomorrow. So here he is, old Mitchell.
Where? Oh, it's me. Oh, now you're gonna make me feel awkward.
Yeah. Yeah, Mitchie.
Oh, you know, just the work gear. They call me the Pokey Prince.
Pokey Prince. Oh, chalky lips, eh? That's what they call you. Oh, this is the Millies in here.
Yeah, this is Milwaukee. We love Milwaukee. Go on, Milwaukee, sponsor us, please.
Shout out to the Millies.
Or me.
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't show the rest of my Milwaukee stuff.
Not you, mate.
Nah,
That's me.
Me. Mate, I've spent so much on Milwaukee. Only the good stuff.
Your
Only
boss
the good
has
stuff.
spent so much on Milwaukee.
Mate, they wish they were spending Milwaukee shit.
Oh, you wish, mate. You
Mate.
wish.
My bloody taxman went, oh, what's all this tool stuff? Oh, Milwaukee. Ooh.
Millies. Oh, Millies.
Nothing but the best.
Jeez.
Nothing but the best.
Which, what the listeners really want to hear, mate, is how the hell do you get a jackpot?
How do you get a jackpot?
How do you rig the system, my friend?
Rig the system? Oh, I don't know.
So everyone can buy Millies. How do we rig the system, mate?
Mate, if I knew, I wouldn't be in a job.
Is that how it works?
Yep,
is it?
that's how it works.
Right, okay.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Tell me.
I see how it is, brother. I see how it is. And just like that, boys, the vlog is bloody done for another bloody weekend. I only had that bloody one event and didn't even get a camera on a car, unfortunately. Twilight Labs for talk time. So, but anyway, hey, it is what it is. But yeah, concert / festival next weekend on Saturday, and then some bookings on Sunday. So just look forward to that, boys. But again, that is going to bloody wrap up the vlog for the weekend. Appreciate you guys liking, appreciate you guys commenting, appreciate you guys bloody watching that last vlog. Holy hiccup, I think it's about 4K now, so fantastic results, bloody good. But as always, boys, make sure you're keeping straight with your money a day, because that money a day does keep that bloody doctor away. And we'll see you next week. Ew.